Are we sitting on GME on a safe side or on a danger side? Well, let's analyze in details where we are heading on GME. And as you know, I am sitting on 55,000 shares, which is cost base goes around like more than $1.5 million. So I invested in GME $1.5 million to see where GME really goes. But well, when I was like, if you go back to my 10 days back video, you will see what I was just showing. My unrealized loss was $240,000 unrealized loss. So people started giving me comments. I am burned. I am all this crazy comments. I'm telling you, if you don't know what to talk, just go, just run, man. Just burn your energy somewhere. Just don't give some bullshit comments, right? So right now, Jim is sitting on more than $26, and my unrealized loss is $71,000. Wow. Got down from $240,000 right back to $73,000. So cost base around $1.5 million and positions 55,000 positions. So these are my positions right now in GME. Well, apart from that, let's see where GM is sitting at. But before that, I'm telling you, I had $240,000 loss in GME, but at the time when I was having, I already recovered all those unrealized loss on a safe side, so I just don't want to be in a risk. So, and how I did, we trade in our group. You can join the group and you can experience how we trade. We have entry, exits, what price to buy, what price to sell, what stock to trade, and I give all the signals, and we invest for those swing trades, long terms, and you can ask me any questions in Discord. The link is down in the description. You can join the Discord through Patreon, and you can follow me on Instagram. That's much better. And join the group. You can grow your portfolio. You can build from scratch $1 million. I grew up my $3,000 to $1 million. So you can do it as well. So, well, coming back to GME, here, $26.81. Wow, that is remarkable recovery from GME. I was actually expecting somewhere around $26.24. But again, folks, as I was telling, this GME will and should cross $26.69 today. But well, we got that support. As you see here, we are following that uptrend line, uptrend, this trend line we are following exactly, and that's what we want, right? That's what we want. So now GME broke above this level today, and right now sitting exactly here where you see my cursor right here, exactly sitting right here, which is $26.81. So that is really incredible recovery from GME, and I really love it. So as I told you, the earnings are coming closer, and these hedge funds, they are institutions, they are closing their short positions because they want to capitalize on other stocks, because they have more big games to play. That those are earnings. Of course, on earnings you play a lot and you make a lot of money. You can join the Discord and probably you can learn from me and how to play the earnings and how to capitalize 200-300% from earnings so you can grow your portfolios. So coming back to this here, the next level we are getting here is $29.40, and that's after we get that level resistance. Once we touch that, but when we can touch that again, we are following here. Today I was expecting to squeeze a little bit here, but I was not expecting such a big volume like today, because today I was expecting something just to touch $26.24 and just come back right down to $26. But again, not a big surprise, but still a surprise that it broke above this level and made $26.24 as a support, as a very, very solid support. And now we should head and we should follow this uptrend. And now we start we start consolidating between $29.40 and $26.24. We start consolidating this level. So this old area is absolutely vanished, is finished. So now we are looking these two levels. So again, these two levels will be eliminated when we get squeezed right here at $29 area, $28, $29 area, when we get squeezed right there, when the stock gets really squeezed, and that's where we will be really heading for $32. Well, the biggest level, the biggest hurdle that we have to pass is $33.73. But when we can pass that again here, first, let me just hold on. So here's the thing. As you see now, very clear, we have to squeeze here, and again there will be squeezing part here, and again there'll be squeezing part here. But again, I just don't wanna predict something what is just to waste time or hold you like a hostage here. I don't want that. I'm just talking what is real, what is raw, and because we don't bullshit on this channel. Even if you like, you don't like, this is the truth. If you want to accept, accept. If you don't want to accept, just get out of here. It's very, very simple and very clear, because we don't waste time in the stock market, because time is money, baby. Time is money. So again, you can come to Discord and see how we make money, because time is really money. So so these levels we are looking, and now the main thing I want to show you here on the 5-minute chart, something really remarkable, right? And where is it? Here we go. So you see here on a 5-minute chart, on entirely we are going on an uptrend, on even on a 5-minute chart. This one pattern, or this one box resembles one single day. The volumes you see right here, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., it's one single day, one single day, one single day. We are having a pump and a dump, consolidation, pump and dump. And right now here, what we are heading is exactly on an uptrend. This is today's uptrend that we are heading. There's no dump, but it was absolutely pump. Okay, we got pump right here, and then got dump, and again we are following the support, and again we got pump. So tomorrow again there should be a pump and dump again with the solid support, and that's I'm expecting $28 and $29 will be the squeezing point in the stock, and that's what we want. Exactly, we don't want this to break below $26. We don't want this to break below $26. If you think this will break below $26, tell me your opinion where the stock will really go. So what I think, with my opinion, with my knowledge, and with my chart reading, with my experience, and what I think, that this stock should start climbing up now, because of course I understand this stock is not really having such a best. It's not best stock in the world, but it's all about the short squeeze. This is the only that game we are watching, short squeeze, and we want to capitalize on this kind of stocks, short squeeze. So coming back to 4-hour chart, let's see, we are on a safe side or we are on a danger side. So I'm following here all the patterns, and here we go. On a 4-hour chart, we are going absolutely safe. So right now, $26.88 and $25.90. So that's, hold on. So let me just as you see right here, I'm just trying to just remove this so you guys can understand a little bit more clear, not to get really confused. So I'll just put this aside. Oh man, what happened to this? And here we go. So now this is the trend, $22.46 and $25.90. This was the uptrend that we were following, and we climbed so beautifully after the squeeze. And again after the squeeze right here, $26.88, and we are trying to break to $28.08. So once we really do that, so the next level, what I am exactly seeing is $33.84 on 4-hour chart. But before that, $31 we will be looking. So these are the tight positions that we have to really cross in. So once we cross that, we are again heading back to $47 super easily. That's where the real game starts. And believe me, I am really waiting for that big game. And of course, so as you are waiting for that big move, what's going to happen in the stock and how the stock will really influence the short squeeze, because the big earnings are coming, and especially the biggest earnings right now is approaching is Microsoft. And follow me even for the other stocks, so not just to capitalize only on GME, because stock market is the best way, of course, to get rich, but if you are consistent, that's why I made this group, so you can join the group, follow, and capitalize much as possible. And if you don't know anything, you can learn, you can take classes, you can learn, and you will be guided exactly what to do, when to do. And but at least you can copy my trades and you can capitalize. This is for your benefit, not for my benefit, because I already day trade every single day and swing trade and on a weekly basis. So if I see a very good opportunities. So again, so entirely we are sitting on a very good positions, and again I'll show my positions right here. 55,000 shares, $74,000 unrealized loss. So will I be adding more shares or not? Should I add more shares or not? Just let me know. If you want, I can just add more shares, and if you don't want, I will not add. But again, we will be adding shares based purely upon how the stock really moves. Then is the stock safe to add or no? Or is the volume pretty good or pretty safe or not? Based on that criteria, will be deciding to add more shares or not. So again, probably if I am adding more shares, of course I will be adding probably more, $250,000, only if the stock shows much better resistance and holding that grip of $26 to $28. If it holds that, yes, probably more, $250,000 I will be adding in GME. So my entire position will become $1.8 million. So thank you so much for watching. I'm doing these videos for you guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, join the group, follow me on Instagram. I'm doing this for you. Actually, I don't have to do this for you, because I can just trade on my basis, and I'm very happy. I don't need your views, I don't need your subscription, nothing, but at least it helps others for to become aware what they are lost in. They're really lost in the losses, or they don't know how to trade, they don't know how to take the trades, or they're just picking up some stupid crazy stocks and they're getting stuck in stocks. That's why I made this group, for you to be guided and at least to copy paste and copy the trades what I'm doing, and you can benefit for your own self. So other than that, I have nothing. And if you want to watch, and if you don't want to watch, just get out of here. And no one has nothing to do. And even if you watch, no views, more views, I have nothing to do. So this is for your benefit, for you guys. At least appreciate that. Stop giving those stupid comments. At least appreciate the video, what I'm doing for you guys. And also watch other videos of other stocks. You will be benefited. Believe me, you will be benefited, because I'm trying to give you information where you can really capitalize in your portfolio. I'm trying to do that. Take advantage of this, folks. Take advantage of this. So thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Follow me on Instagram, and probably see you in the group. Bye bye.